Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to find the area of this yellow shaded region. So in this problem we have a circle and also two chords of this circle which are parallel to each other, and the length of one chord is given. So AB is equal to 3, and also the measure of this arc is also given, which is 60 degrees. Before solving the problem, we need to first evaluate something, and we know that the area of a triangle is the multiplication of the base and the height divided by 2. So if we have two triangles, with the same base and the same height, if we consider the same base, we'll have B here and B here, and also the same height, which call it H, and also we have the height of this triangle. These two triangles have equal area. So by considering this point, we now can go and solve the problem. We have the triangle of ABD, and if we draw two lines from this corner to the center of the circle and also from this point, we have a triangle, and I call it OAB. These two triangles have the same base, so the base 3, and also have the same height, because for one the height is this line, and for another the height will be here, and both of them, the heights are the distance between these two parallel lines. So the heights are the same, the base are the same, and these two triangles have the same area. So instead of considering this triangle, now we can consider this triangle, and also this segment. We can see that this area is a sector of this circle, and for the area of a sector, we need the measure of the angle of this sector divided by 360 times pi r squared. We should know alpha and r to solve the problem. For alpha, which is here, we know that this is a central angle opposing this arc, so alpha have the same measure with arc AB, which is 60 degrees. For r, so we know that OA is equal to OB, so we have an isosceles triangle here, and I call it beta. This should be beta. So we know that the sum of the internal angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we can write 60 plus beta is equal to 180. If we subtract 60 from both sides, we will get 2 beta is equal to 120, and if we divide both sides by 2, we get beta is equal to 60 degrees. So we have here 60, and also we have here 60. These three angles are equal, so we have an equilateral triangle. This line is 3, so this line is 3, and also this line. So now we found length of the radius, which is 3. So we can go back and find the area. So we can write area is equal to alpha, which is 60 divided by 360 times pi times r squared, which is 3 to the power of 2. And now we can simplify it. We can divide both numerator and denominator by 60. So if we divide it by 60, we get 1, and if we divide it by 60, we get 6. And now we can write 1 over 6 times pi times, and 3 to the power of 2 is 9. And also we have 9 over 6 times pi. And also we can divide these numerator and denominator by 3. If we divide this by 3, we get 3. If we divide this by 3, we get 2. And finally, we will have 3 over 2 times pi. That's the final answer to the problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.